Welcome students. Today we shall continue the class of 4, that is chapter 1, and the chapter is the rainbow. In the last lecture we read the poem The Rainbow. Today we shall do the exercise work. In this question number 1 is answer these questions. Question A. Where do the boats sail? Answer: the boats sail on the rivers. B. Where do the ships sail? Answer is: the ships sail on the seas. Question C. Where do you see bridges? Answer is: we see bridges on the rivers. And question D. Name the bridge that builds a road from earth to sky. Its answer is: the rainbow is the bridge that builds a road from earth to sky. Now we should come to question number 2. The question number 2 is match the words of column A and column B. Actually in column A there are some nouns or subjects, and in column B there are some verbs. We have to match noun with suitable verbs. Answer is ready here. A. The boat sails. The flower blooms. The aeroplane flies. The wind blows. The river flows. Fire burns. The fish swims. The alarm clock rings. In black letters, column A has been written, and in red letters, column B has been written after matching it, and in this way these form a sentence. Next question we should come to question number 3. Question number 3 says write comparative and superlative degrees of these adjectives. Actually there are 3 degrees of adjective. First is positive degree, second is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. Generally we add ER to make positive degree and EST to make superlative degree. When any word or any adjective ends with Y, we remove Y, and in place of Y we write I. After that we add ER to make comparative degree, and we add EST to make superlative degree after removing Y or replacing Y by I. As you should see, A. Pretty. Spelling is PRETTY. Its comparative degree is prettier. PRETTIER. Here Y has been replaced by I. After that ER has been added, and in prettiest Y has been replaced by I and EST has been added. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. So all words end here with Y. So it is very easy for us to make comparative and superlative degree. Remove Y, place I in place of Y. After that you should add ER to make comparative and EST to make superlative. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Busy, busier, busiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Holy, holier, holiest. Now we should come to question number 4. Question number 4 says circle the word in each row that rhyme with the first word. Actually rhyming words are those words which sounds same at last, and in this question there were some words which were rhyming words, and those rhyming words have been taken and written in green letters. First one was the question, and those words which were not rhyming words, those were left, like siege, please, these, B. sky, try, my, heaven, hidden, woven. D. Rainbow, slow, bow. E. Sail, rail, may. Dear students, you can make your own rhyming words. There is no problem in it. You can find more and more rhyming words of your own, which are giving sounds like the first one. Now we should come to question number 5. Question number 5 says, some naming words used in the poem are hidden in this box. Find out the words and write below. You should see here that there are some words which are written here in this box. Okay, and from this box we have chosen the words which are noun. There were place here, you should see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, place, and those answers have been written below. Answers are rainbow, river, cloud, bridge, road, boat, ship, sea. Some are horizontal and some are vertical. You should see here like rainbow, okay, sky is here, sky, river is here, river. In the same way you can find ship here from up to down, okay. Boat you can see here, cloud is present here, and bridge is present here. In the same way you can find words sea. Sea is here. So all the words, those have been written here, those have been taken from the grid and written here. So you will also write. Now we should come to question number 6. Question number 6 say, some parts of the body are used for other things. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. So some words were given and here answer is ready for you. First one, A, the head of the family is very wise. B, the eye of the needle was small. C, the mouth of the bottle was open. D, the teeth of the comb was broken. E, the small hand of the clock is at 5. F, the fingers of the gloves are big. G, the legs of the chair are made of wood. And H, the heel of the shoe is strong. These all words like head, eye, mouth, teeth, hand, fingers, legs, heel, these all are the parts of bodies, but these are also used in other ways, so we have used here. Thank you, Bhayavan. Have a nice day.